I have completed crystal field stabilization energy of octahedral complexes of D1, D2, D3. In our last lecture, we have discussed about the delta O, that is small change in the octahedral system, that is it is divided into two groups, that is T2G and EG. In case of strong field, delta O is more. In case of weak field, delta O is less. Now in this case you can see the problem, that is D1. The value of T2G is -4 and value of EG is +6. Both the sides you can see the value of T2G is -4 and value of EG is +6. You have to multiply the number of electron present at that level. So in D1, or in the first case, -4 into 1 plus 6 into 0, because there is no electron at EG level. So -4 into 1 plus 6 into 0, answer is -4 dq on both the sides. Then n is equal to 1 and s is equal to 1 by 2. That is, n is number of unpaired electron, s is spin angular momentum, that is n by 2, n is 1, therefore it is 1 by 2. We are talking about the D4. I expect that you have practiced for D2 and D3. Answer for D2 is -8 dq and answer for D3 is -12 dq on both the sides, that is strong field and weak field. But now students, the situation in D4 is different, because 3 orbitals at lower level and 2 orbits at higher level, that is 3 orbits are present at T2G level and 2 orbits are present at EG level. So D4, it means that there are 4 electrons. When the delta O is smaller, means the difference between the T2G and EG is less. So 3 electron at T2G level singly arranged, and 1 electron will jump at EG because the difference is less. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I have to write D4 is equal to, on the left side D4 is equal to -4 into 3 electrons plus 6 into 1 electron, because 3 electrons at T2G level and 1 electron at EG level. -4 into 3, that is 12, plus 6. Answer is -6 dq. Number of unpaired electrons are 4. So S is equal to, that is spin angular momentum. A spin is equal to n by 2. What is n? N is 4. So S is equal to 4 by 2 and 4 by 2 is 2. So n is equal to 4, S is equal to 2. Now on the right side you can see the difference between the T2G and EG is more, so electron cannot jump. Electron have a capacity only to pair. Electron have a energy only to pair. So electrons present at T2G level are 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 1 pair. 4 electrons are present in 3 orbits, so one is pair. But there is no electron at EG level. Right side you can see for D4, that is D4 is equal to -4 into 4 plus 6 into 0, because no electron at EG level. So 4 4s are 16, and what you have to remember, there is 1 pair. So I have wrote -16 dq plus p, that is 1p, that is pair, 1 pair. What about D5? You can see on the left side 5 electrons are present, so all will be unpaired. -4 into 3 at the T2G level, -4 into 3 and 6 into 2. So minus 12 plus 12, answer is 0 for D5. No pairs, right. So see at the right side you can see electrons are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 2 pairs, because only 3 orbits are there. 3 will be unpaired, 4th will be paired and 5th will be paired. So minus 4 into 5, and there is no electron at 6. That is the no electron at Eg level. So 6 into 0 minus 20 dq plus how many pairs? 2. 2 pairs are there. Minus 20 dq plus 2p. What about d6? 6 electrons. How many electrons are present in d5? Unpaired electrons are n is equal to 5, s is equal to n by 2, that is 5 by 2. But in case of d4, the in strong field and weak field the arrangement is different. So I have wrote n is equal to, in case of d4, n is equal to 2. So s is equal to 2 by 2 and s is equal to 1. So in case of d4, d5, d6 and d7, d4, d5, d6 and d7, there will be two different situations. So in case of d6 now, how many unpaired electrons? How many total electrons? That is 6. 6 electrons are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down first 5 unpaired electron and 6 will go for a pair now. 6 will go for a pair now because there is no orbits now. There are total orbits 5. So minus 4 into 4 plus 6 into 2 plus 6 into 2. So 4 4 is 16 plus 12. Answer is minus 4 TQ plus 1 pair. So plus P. On the another side, right side, you can see 6 electron. All 6 are pair. They don't have energy to jump to the higher level, that is Eg level. So they get pair at the T2G level. Minus 4 into 6 plus 6 into 0, that is minus 24 plus 3p. This is all about the d6. So students, I expect that you will solve each and every problem. For your sake, if you have any doubt, you please tell me. Thank you.